I'm just
Okay.
here to make
So,
a special appearance.
or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate,
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all. I am a
I am here.
non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm telling
I'm
you.
here for no, ma'am.
We've got quite an unusual case today. A woman who identifies as a sovereign citizen is firmly corrected by a no-nonsense judge during a court hearing about driving without insurance. She insists that the laws don't apply to her because she doesn't consider herself a citizen, but the judge isn't having any of it. Despite her efforts to argue her position, she ends up embarrassing herself in court, while the judge calmly and firmly puts things in order. If you enjoy watching Courtroom, moments like this, be sure to like and subscribe. Now, let's get into it.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, Janvier Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up to date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench,
as
or
I
jury in this
understand,
matter.
as I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance. Has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled, on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter.
Can you believe this? She's trying to get the entire case thrown out by claiming she's a foreign alien and that the law doesn't apply to her. But that just doesn't add up. If you're driving on public roads, you're agreeing to follow the rules that come with them. It's called implied consent. That includes having proper insurance. No matter how creative her legal arguments are, they won't hold up in court. What do you think? Are sovereign citizens making a valid point, or is it time we stop entertaining these claims? Let's jump back in.
At your argument of trial of judge, will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed? Or if you don't want to participate, or if you don't want to participate,
I don't want a contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is a show cause or a KPS.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. Janvier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
You as well.
Things are about to get even more intense than the last hearing. The woman becomes visibly frustrated as the judge calmly takes apart each of her arguments. It's hard to understand why she refuses something as basic as car insurance. It's not a government scheme. It's there to protect everyone on the road. The judge lays out the facts clearly, but instead of listening, she gets even more upset and only makes her situation worse. What are your thoughts on this? Share in the comments. And now, let's head into the next part of the hearing to see what happens next.
May I have appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please?
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm
are
a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Okay, so I need the actual person, John Pierre Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so
So
that all
do you
cap
have the
name
opportunity to-
was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a
I am here.
non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm telling you.
I'm here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for John Vieira Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today, I
I'm
cannot
asking you to
handle this matter.
Okay.
Okay, so is she present
Judge,
today?
do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not John Vieira Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am
who
an
you are,
authorized
though.
representative. I just told you I'm an authorized
Do you have a
representative.
P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, ma'am?
I'm an attorney in fact. Listen.
Every time a sovereign citizen brings up the term attorney of fact, it just doesn't make any real legal sense. They act like it's some magic phrase that will somehow win their case. But that's not how the court system works. If this woman truly wants to represent herself or claim some alternative legal identity, she'd need a valid attorney license with a registration number, just like any real lawyer. You can't just invent your own legal rules in a courtroom. Honestly, it's hard to believe how disconnected some of these arguments are from reality.
I'm asking you to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not,
I need
I
the
will put a
person-
UCC.
John
I
Vieira
will lean
Williams.
it. I will lean it.
Williams,
I will lean it.
Quiet.
John Vieira Sherelle Williams, are you present, ma'am? John Vieira Williams, are you present twice?
I
John
am here
Vieira Sherelle Williams.
to make a special limit appearance
Are you
on
present?
the behalf of
Ms. Williams, if
John-
you're not gonna answer the question she asking, don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of John Vieira Williams, the agent.
Okay, so John
Authorized
Vieira Williams is not
representative.
present.
Authorized representative.
All right, so if she's not present today, I cannot move
Non-resident
forward because I
alien.
need her present. All right, so there will be a capious put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have John Vieira Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this
That all
ticket.
cap name
of no
was
insurance.
created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. John Vieira Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket. Thank you.